Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be talking about WP Rocket, the #1 WordPress caching plugin. Why people need WP Rocket, ladies and gentlemen? WP Rocket is much more than just a WordPress caching plugin. It's the most powerful solution to boost your loading time. For example, if we go here, for bloggers, for example, automatic speed improvement to boost conversions, so you are going guys to convert faster. Yes, did you know that as page load time goes from 1 to 5 seconds, the probability of bounce rate increases to 90%? After spending so much energy creating stellar content, don't make your visitors abandon your page because of slow load times. So speed up your store. Remember that WP Rocket is for speeding up your websites, whether it is a blogger, a blog, an online store. Yes, a better performance starts here. For example, well, it redirects us to the pricing page. Remember guys that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to get a big discount when it comes to getting your WP Rocket plugin. Yes, for example, it redirects us to the pricing table, for example, in the single plan per year, obviously, and the plus for per year, and infinite also per year. For example, in the single plan per year, you're going to be getting product updates and support for one website. Yes, as you can see right here, 100% money back guarantee. What you get when you buy a WP Rocket license: quick setup, 80% of web performance best practices are automatically applied. The most powerful features for web performance: excellent support, broad compatibility with hostings and plugins, yes, e-commerce compatibility, and multilingual compatibility. Yes, for example, in the single plan, you're going to be paying $50 per year. Yes, for example, you are going to click where it says buy WP Rocket, and then you're going to be confirming your account. For example, a better performance is just one click away. You're going to put your email address, for example, Tim Bergenson, for example, at gmail.com if you want to buy this product. First name, Tim, and last name. Yes, this is just an example. You guys put your real names here. United States company. My company is espnhost.com, for example. You can buy this WP Rocket plugin with credit card or with PayPal. Yes, for example, with PayPal, you proceed to PayPal. In credit card, for example, you guys are going to type the 16 numbers of your credit card, for example. Yes, this is just an example. Yes, then the month of expiration here, for example, here, and the 3 numbers in the back part of your card. Yes, the 16 numbers, the month and year of expiration, and the 3 numbers in the back part of your card, and it's going to be costing you for today $59. Yes, for example, if we go back here, WP Rocket, why you guys are going to get WP Rocket? Because it's special for bloggers, for e-commerce, freelancers, and agencies, for example. Yes, save coding time and give your customers the best experience. Constantly upgrade and maintain. We've got your back, one license for unlimited websites. Yes, simplify your workflow, automatic license detention. Yeah guys, I hope you have liked my review. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video, and if you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my video. Thank you very much. See you next time.